Now we can have fuller hair in a simple and safe way, a way that enables you to use all your own hair. Fuller hair that enables you to brush directly down to the scalp. Fuller hair that you shampoo, sleep, swim, and do everything with. Check this out.
What is the most critical area of adding hair on the head? That's the front hairline. Let's take a look at a front hairline. Now look closely. Look even more closely. Do you see anything in this front hairline? Does it just look like 100% of this person's own hair? Look closely. Now we're going to reveal that there actually is hair added. Notice this. I'm slowly removing the microstrand just to show that hair was really added right up to this front hairline. You can run your fingers directly down to your scalp and feel nothing but your own hair and scalp. How is this possible? Using an invention called the microstrand. This microstrand, upon contact of the skin or the scalp, as you can see, it disappears. In addition to this microstrand, the filaments of the actual microstrand are literally as thin as one human hair, as soft as one human hair. Plus, the filaments of this microstrand are translucent, meaning upon contact of the skin or the scalp, watch, you see them against the scalp or skin, you don't see it. Using this microscopic tip apparatus that has a microscopic tip hook only big enough or small enough to grab one human hair at a time. Watch this. One human hair at a time is now fed onto these microstrands. One human hair at a time. This is how we're going to replicate natural hair growth. And now the finished product is this as one example. This is after the hair has been added, one hair at a time. What do you see? Do you see the microstrand at all? Look, you don't see the microstrand. You just see single human hairs appearing to be just floating in the air. When you add one human hair at a time onto the microstrand, it disappears. And now you're replicating real hair growth.
This is something you or any hairdresser can apply for you, and it lasts 3 to 4 years.